Also, the best way to get good results with this product is to Hi my loves, it's Life of Frida and I'm back again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida. I talk about all things lifestyle, all things beauty, product reviews and so much more. But if you're my OG, my subscriber, my real MVP, you know how we do it here. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being consistent with this brand and for loving us, for watching the video, everything. This channel is growing because of you. So guys, today I'm going to be bringing an amazing topic. Yes, today is going to be a product review. You guys are making this product trend, so I will talk about it so that if you want to get it, you know what you're getting and you know how well and how best to use it and how it is meant to work. So guys, today I'll be talking about the advanced Korean skin. It comes in a body wash and it comes in a body lotion. It has two body wash, like two shower gels and one body lotion. One shower gel contains, you'd see, like orange extract, citric extract, while the other contains papaya, and then the lotion, yes guys, it says that it will give you a bright and clear complexion, a bright and clear skin, a radiant and dewy skin. It's written on the lotion. It actually does that, guys. It's like, talking about this product, I personally have not used it, but I have gotten reviews from it, so I have to talk about it because it's a new product and people are getting it and it's working. But one thing I'll tell you is that if you have been using bleaching products and you're using bleaching products and you want to use this product, it might not work well for you because you can't compare the ingredients in bleaching products and this product. Okay, this product is like a senior brother to them Medix 55, them advanced clinicals. Yes, it moisturizes, but then it brightens. I did not say lighten, I did not say whiten, I did not say 2 to 3 shades lighter. I said it brightens, so it will give your skin this rich tone, this rich feel. Do you understand? It's very effective, it's nice, moisturizing, sweet. Do you understand? So it's just something that you use and it's a product that you can actually use for a long time. It can be your long-term product. Yes, it's very nice to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, brighten your skin, just give your skin this sweet, oh, succulent type of look. Do you understand? Yes, that is what this product do for you, but it will not take you 2 to 3 shades lighter. It might take you to two, but that will be after a long term usage. It will just blend out your skin. If you have any blemishes, all of those things, it will blend out your skin. And just because I'm saying it's a moisturizer, it will glow your skin, guys, I'm not advising you to use it on your face. We have known nobody that is following Life of Frida should be using their body lotion on their face. We don't do that here. We don't do that here. A body lotion is meant to be for your body, not your face. The skin on the face is different and it can react to the slightest thing. So that is why we have face products and body products. But this product generally is a sweet, nice product. It's something that you would like and it's something that you can use over time. It's not age selective. Yeah, so you can use it as a young lady, you can use it as somebody of age. You understand? Our mommies, our daddies can use it, a man can use it. You can decide to just use the shower gel and maybe a strong lotion, or use the shower gel and use the lotion, or you use the shower gel and use lotions like Nivea, Dove, Garnier, Medix. Yes, it will bring out a super beautiful skin tone. It's not compulsory you incorporate the two ingredients together, like the two shower gel and lotion together. Okay, you can decide to use the shower gel with another lotion, or use the lotion with another shower gel. The main thing is that this product works, and it works beautifully. Okay, it's a mild product. The mild brightening product is one of the safe products out there. Yes, it's safe. Advanced Korean Skin, that is the name. How would I describe it? You can already see the picture of it, so you can get it and you would love it. Okay, yes, it's very. Speaking of texture, I felt it. Okay, I've not personally used it on my skin, but I've seen this product. I've felt it. I've recommended it for somebody, and the person loves it. That's why I'm speaking confidently about it. If you're somebody that wants to get the medics advanced clinicals, you can get this one and try it. And if you're somebody that you want to transition from bleaching products to safe products, you can use this, but note that you might tone down a bit. Yes, you might tone down, because the complexion that your bleaching products gave you, that is not your original product, so you might tone down a bit. But what I'm saying is that when you tone down a bit, this product is just going to glow you in your natural essence. It's going to moisturize your skin, it's going to brighten your skin, it's going to give your skin, make your skin look healthy, make your skin look alive. It's going to build your skin barrier, your skin thickness, your pH balance of your skin will, the pH of your skin will be balanced. Yeah, that's what I mean. So this product is actually a nice product, is worth the buy. But like I said, if you're using a lightening product, please stick with that, because if you say you want to use this one for lightening, if you want to use it for whitening, you might not get that effect. So it doesn't make you to start talking bad about the product. No, leave the product for people that have been using all the medics, them Nivea, Dove, these calm products. Yes, they can use it to lift their complexion, not bleach. Yes, guys, to lift your complexion and to hydrate and moisturize your skin further. But if you're somebody that is using like a whitening product, you can also use this product. Yes, you can use it during the day, because it's not advised to use your whitening products during the day. You can use it during the day and use your whitening products at night. Yes, you can use it during the day, use your whitening products at night. You can do that. And also, the best way to get good results with this product is to use a scrub. Get a body scrub, exfoliate your skin before you start any new skincare routine. Make sure you exfoliate your skin, guys. I'm so sorry about that. My baby is crying, he's looking at me and he just wants me to pick him up. Yes, so guys, don't forget to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is key. Okay, make sure that you exfoliate before you start a new product. Like now, if you're going to get this product, make sure that you exfoliate. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My baby was looking at me and he wanted me to pick him up. Yes, guys, so don't forget to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is key. Make sure that you exfoliate and then you start this product. Before starting a product, it's important that you exfoliate your skin for the best results, and be consistent with exfoliation. I was able to pick him up. I'm holding him now. Be consistent with exfoliation. Okay, make sure that you exfoliate your skin for the best results when it comes to using products. Okay, it helps to with cell turnovers, your collagen production, all of that. It helps with cell turnovers, your collagen production, all of that. So in general, this product is a very nice product. Yes, is it worth the buy? It is worth the buy. I give it a 9/10 when it comes to brightening lotions. Yes, I'll give this product a 9/10. Make sure that you combine it with the shower gel, or you use a good shower gel, or you use a good lotion if you're picking any of them. Okay, if you're picking any of them, you can use any of them and it will be beautiful. Make sure you exfoliate, make sure you're consistent. That is the only way that you can get the best results when it comes to using products. Okay, guys, now I've rated this product. I'm giving it a 9/10 when it comes to brightening products and moisturizing products. a solid 9/10 from my end. So if you want to get it, you can get it. It is worth the buy. I'm telling you that it's worth the buy. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, turn on your post notification buttons, comment, share, tell your friends to tell their friends that yes, Frida has talked about this product and it is worth the buy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you. Mwah.